time I realized the drawers was gone was after we duggled. If it wasn't for my husband being kind and not wanting people to see my underneath, I would have had to walk to the room naked. Intensely with it all, my senses I do. I'm sure I knew the only reason God gave me eyes was to see you. The only reason God gave me ears was to hear your voice say I will know. I will always know. Hello me Julsz, welcome back to another video. I'm Julsz and this is
Uncle Beans, you know what I mean? AKA Tussy Dan, big up on the damn self.
So in today's video it's just gonna be a little story time of you know us being naughty in Jamaica. Them time there. You know naughty.
Go on to it down. Quick one.
That's a quick story time. It probably won't even last more than 10 minutes because it really is a quick story time. We'd just like to say happy Easter. We hope you had a wonderful Easter.
And cheese, no bun. You up on yourself.
With a bit of spicy bun, not your base. They can have a bit of spicy bun.
I don't know about that. I'll fire up on the bun.
So yeah, that's big up on yourself. Hope you had a wonderful Easter, and I hope that you prayed and remember what happened on Remembrance Sunday. But yeah, before further ado, let's jump into the video. Right, so this took place this took place, I would say, was it 2016 or 17?
It was twice, I think. First one, 2016.
2016 was the first one, right?
Yeah, 2016 summer.
Yeah,
July.
So it was 2016 summer, July. If you're not aware and if you're new to the channel, we were in a long distance relationship and now Tussy lives in England. So I went to Jamaica summer holidays and we had booked into Travellers. Travellers, big up yourself. I hope if you come across this video, we want free endorsement because we spent some good money at your hotel. Do you understand? Let's fast forward anyway. So I went to Jamaica and we went to Travellers for 2 days.
Yeah, but you did stay up your granny house though?
Yeah.
Yeah, so both did stay up our grandma's house.
But we were where?
Not that night, man. Remember? So that night.
Oh, you're giving them a backstory.
Yeah, look at it. Yeah. That night, though.
Unruly.
Yeah, Tabby. You know what I mean? I want to look at vibes and I want to look at reason. I want to look at laugh. I'm gonna remember one little joke with her. I said she brought the cheer. Yeah, my girl Malice me. I not talk to me for the whole night. Then just wake up bright early in the morning. I call me, hey babe, say you ready to go to the hotel?
I don't keep Malice long.
And I'm like, yo, I see him girl Malice me last night and she just wake up so happy this morning and I say anyways, regardless, anything, you know what I mean, a foreign girl, so then behave different, you know what I mean, like
no,
but
Tussy was on that, no, the joke was wild, man. I felt like, what? What's he saying, bro? What's he saying now, like, are you okay? But I broke the chair, you know, and the chair was already broken before, you know, so I was thinking, right, you're trying to call me, come on me, I thought, wait, is he trying to call me fat? I said, what? But yeah, I'm embarrassing. Yeah, I did.
Wake up bright early in the morning and everything alright, and I say, no, and people
different. He thought I was quite strange because I woke up, I was so happy. I was like, come on, I'm not gonna make, what was it, £100 odd go down the drain. So I'm like, come on, man, say you ready for good Travellers?
It's alright. Whatever is the weather, you know what I mean? So anyway, we get ourselves ready. Get some food, we get some booze and
all that good stuff.
You know what I mean? Bag of things, can we say, no sir, that time up for the hotel, we don't hear from nobody.
Yeah, we got some alcoholic beverages and everything. It was a nice little time away. Tussy's friend, Tussy hired his friend to drop us there. But then when we got there now, the woman at the reception was like, oh,
where's your ID?
Where's your ID?
Yeah,
I said, what?
Nobody didn't have ID.
No, I had mine, but you didn't have your passport, remember?
Yeah, because I was walking in.
Yeah, so I had my ID, but Tussy didn't have his, but I thought, if it's booked in my name, why does she need to see his ID? He will just be like a guest. But she was like, oh sorry, we can't let Lux in the room without him having his ID. So we had to call back his friend now to come
pick me up.
No, to pick him up.
Bring me back home.
Or did he go for the?
No,
he went for the ID and then
straight.
brought it back to us.
Yeah, straight.
And then she booked it. I was thinking, why do you need ID, miss? Anyways, he booked. They booked us in. The concierge took us to the room 33. Pick up yourself, room 33. Because we got that room twice in a row. Remember the following year we got the same room.
It's a nice
the room was beautiful, immaculately clean.
Ground
the
floor.
bed was firm.
It was very large.
Very large. The AC was kicking. What else happened? The bathroom was it was a nice hotel.
A
nice hotel.
We have a nice TV and listen.
Nice TV.
The bar is sexy because the bar is the right the view of the ocean.
So
it's like
it was
you
nice.
can just be right there and just watch the sunset.
Right.
It's a nice view. They have a gym as well. They have a pool.
Everything. Travelers is so inexpensive and it's beautiful. I would recommend anyone going to Negril, Jamaica to book in Travelers. Yes, there's Rio. Yes, there's Palladium. But cheap and cheerful, we say. Not true, babe?
Yeah.
Right. Right, but yeah. So fast forward now. So we've been there a day, I think. We was in the room chilling, and I don't know who brought up the idea of going to the pool. Probably me, because I'm quite wild like that. So I was like, oh, let's go have a swim.
Yeah.
And this was lit. This was about 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the morning.
It was like 3 o'clock.
Was it that late?
Yeah.
It was. All we know is that it was late. So I was like, alright, cool. Babe put on his swimming trunks. I put on my swimming costume and all that good stuff.
But you know what the thing is. In Jamaica, the good thing is when I go to our pool, like even though outside it's still warm, like you're going to the water warm, and then outside just cool, and you just have a nice vibes because the ocean literally right next to you, so you can hear the breeze and everything.
Blowing and stuff like that.
So
yeah.
it was a good vibes, and
it was lovely.
You know, everything was the stars was out,
glistening in the sky. That's true.
Yeah. So it was nice even. We just, you know what I mean, decided to go make little memories. I'm blessed to people in pool of what's the place called? Travelers.
Travelers. So we got in the pool now, and yeah, one and two things lead to another and whatever. So you know, we do what adults do, right? Yeah,
we swim around.
Yeah, and
but somebody have a bright idea if you take off then drawers and you know the filter in the pool, like a filter the water, you suck up the drawers.
People, but wait, you're skipping too far, babe. The only time I realized the drawers was gone was after we double. I swear, like it didn't come to me like put your knickers on the side or put, not my knickers, my bikini. It didn't come to me like put it on the side or put it in your bra or hold it. I just thought, let me just let it loose. I took it off in it. So after me and babe did our thing, I'm looking around like, wow, where's my thing? Where's my thing? Where is it?
The filter suck up the drawers.
So we couldn't find it, and then what happened after that was that we saw two couples coming into the swimming pool area.
Conjoined to all white one.
So
all white one.
Yeah, but they went down that way, and they sat down. But remember, I have no knickers. So I'm thinking, babe, I'm like, what I'm gonna do? How am I gonna come out of this situation? So anyway, so they came there, and obviously I didn't have no underneath. So Tussie gave me his boxers.
And
and then Tussie was left naked now. So I was okay, but then Tussie had to run to our room because he was like the day he was born, butt naked. So Tussie ran to the room, I held on Tussie's boxers, and yeah, that was it really.
Oh yeah.
You remember now?
Yeah. Oh, I got through the hallway.
Right, you remember how how bright it was. And you remember how cold the room was when we got back inside? Because the AC.
The AC went in the butt.
So that was a little quick story time, and it's just to say, when you're in a relationship, just try and be spontaneous, try and have fun, try and make memories, because trust me, I will never forget that memory. And till this day, we don't know what happened to my knickers, my bikini.
I told you.
Well, yeah, the filter caught it, but I'm just thinking, like, imagine who cleans the filter. I must be thinking, what kind of nasty girl this, man? Dirty work, you know? They wouldn't even know that I'm a good person. They would be thinking, horny girl. Because how comes your boxes didn't come off then?
I don't know, babes.
I don't know what happened. I don't know, but
you think that yours and put it down?
I didn't. I think I literally just let it float. That's it. I took it off and it was floating, and I thought, okay, because in my eyes I remember seeing it floating, so I thought, well, when I'm finished I can just get it back.
No, but you have these little baskets at the side of the pool.
I didn't know that.
Sucking
the stuff, but I didn't know that. I just thought it will just float around till I'm ready. Then when I'm ready, I can just put it back on.
You know what I mean? The person you just the panty if you just go there, sit down and split tissue.
Literally, I thought it would just be there when I'm ready, and I just put it back on. But no, sir, no, ma'am.
I'm done.
When I finished with my boo thing, I was thinking, where? Why can't I see it? Like, where is it?
I think
gone. And it was nice. It was a nice little blue color. It was gone, mate. So I know this is a very quick video, but sometimes quick, sometimes long, right? This is just, it was a beautiful memory, and it still makes me laugh till this day, because if it wasn't for my husband being kind and not wanting people to see my underneath, I would have had to walk to the room naked.
Yeah.
Because my bra couldn't cover my ton, you know, like and we didn't even bring no towels.
Yeah, I think that's the mistake we didn't make, because I think the second time around we did bring.
We bought towels. Yeah, we were very prepared and everything like that.
Yes.
We didn't bring no towels or nothing, so it was literally butt nakedness. And then we got out the pool. I remember the floor was so warm. It was an amazing experience. I'm not saying that you should try it. Just saying that just make experience. You should try it. You tell them to try it?
Yeah.
The butt nakedness?
Yeah.
What if they get caught?
It's called being free, man.
But yeah, that's one of our stories.
It's being very free, so just do what you do, man.
Do what you gotta do.
Let it hang.
Well, he did it. He let it all hang in it. If you liked our story time about our relationship, just leave a comment down below. If you watch this whole video, remember what you do. You drop a heart.
Share and subscribe.
Right, you like, share and subscribe as well. Turn on your bell notification, and if you want more story times, right?
Yeah, just big me up on my good.
Just let us know. Whatever videos you want, just let us know, innit? But big up on the cell, and today's post notification goes to Ashley B. Big up yourself, boo. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting, and yeah, but just like it. And my next person goes to Canadian Angel. Big up yourself. Big up yourself for coming through, for supporting. You have the thing pan lock. Everything that's good and cook and curry. And I just have to squeeze in one more person. Big up yourself, Liz. Liz, big up yourself, boo.
My post notification goes to, and then other than this, yeah, big up your damn self, me G. Still away on the white, you know what I mean? Still there wait. Easter come and gone. I pray. But big up yourself.
Each and every one of you, big up on the clean, nice self. Yeah. Have a lovely day, and we'll see you in the next video. My old Julsz, my new Julsz, my in-between Julsz. Big up yourself. Alright.
Say nothing.
Bye.